Top vacuums for Christmas 2024. Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to a festive edition of Tech Savvy Reviews. Are you searching for the perfect tech-infused gift this Christmas? We've got an electrifying lineup of vacuum cleaners that will not only enhance your cleaning routine but also make fabulous holiday gifts. Presenting our top picks from Amazon, the Shark Stratos cordless, Dyson V15 Detect, and Tineco Pure One S12. We're here to deliver an enthusiastic breakdown of each product's pros and cons, ensuring you make the smartest choice. Prepare to be dazzled by the Shark Stratos cordless, a marvel of versatility and power. Ideal for homes with a mix of carpets and hardwood, this vacuum does it all. Key features: auto-adjusting suction seamlessly adapts to different surfaces, relieving you of manual adjustments. Bendable stick reaches those sneaky corners under furniture with ease. LED lights illuminates your path to ensure no dust is left behind. Considerations: it's heavier than some competitors, and it's priced on the higher side for Shark models. However, the trade-off is phenomenal suction and a deep clean that'll leave your home spotless. For those craving power and versatility, the Shark Stratos cordless is your go-to. Enter the extraordinary world of the Dyson V15 Detect, the ultimate gadget for high-tech performance lovers. This vacuum brings innovation to your fingertips with its trailblazing features. Key features: laser detection uncovers even the tiniest dust particles, ensuring an immaculate clean. LCD screen offers real-time performance updates so you're always informed. Powerful suction, perfect for combating pet hair and allergens. Considerations Be prepared for a premium price tag and shorter battery life in high power modes. Yet, with revolutionary technology and unparalleled cleaning power, the Dyson V15 is worth every penny for tech-savvy users. Finally, marvel at the Tineco Pure One S12, where affordability meets smart technology. Designed for cozy spaces, this vacuum is a tech lover's dream. Key features: iLoop Smart Sensor automatically adjusts suction based on dirt levels, giving you optimal cleaning. Lightweight build, effortlessly maneuverable, ensuring ease of use. Mobile app integration enables tracking of cleaning progress, so you're always in control. Considerations: the dust cup is on the smaller side, and some pet hair may tangle in the brush roll. Despite this, for its smart features and budget-friendly price, the Tineco S12 is a clear winner in small spaces. So tech enthusiasts, which vacuum suits your style? Dive into the comments and let us know which features you prioritize in your next vacuum purchase. If you enjoyed this spirited comparison, do not forget to hit like and subscribe to Tech Savvy Reviews for more tech tips, deals, and the latest in gadgetry. Top vacuums for Christmas 2024. Right pointing backhand index. Subscribe for more tech reviews. Mobile phone with right arrow. Follow Tech Savvy Reviews for tips and deals. For those ready to invest in these cutting-edge vacuums, check out the links in the description. Keep your eyes peeled for more tech-savvy insights this holiday season. Happy cleaning and gifting!